Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out XM Trading. If you're finished using your account and want to safely sign out, this process is very quick. Logging out is a good habit, especially if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to make sure your account stays secure after your session ends. To begin, go to the XM website and make sure you're on your account page. Once the page is fully loaded, take a moment to look at the top right area of the screen. This is typically where account-related options are placed, including your profile menu. Next, click on your profile account icon or profile area in the top right. When you select it, a menu should appear with account options related to your current session. If you don't see the menu right away, just click carefully once and wait a second for the drop-down to open. On some screens, the menu may appear slightly differently depending on the device or browser you're using, but it should still be in the same general location. After the profile menu opens, look for the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out to begin the logout process. In some cases, the platform may ask you to confirm that you really want to sign out. If that confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm signing out to complete the process. Once that's done, you should be logged out of your XM Trading account. A good way to verify this is to check whether you've been redirected to a login page or whether your account dashboard is no longer visible. That confirms the session has ended successfully. As a helpful tip, if you're using a personal device and the page doesn't seem to update immediately after signing out, you can refresh the browser once to confirm that your account is no longer active. And if you're on a shared device, it's also a smart idea to close the browser tab after logging out for added privacy. That's all there is to it. As you can see, logging out of XM Trading only takes a few clicks and helps protect your account by ending your active session properly.